Hey guys, Steve here. So before we start this whole play series, let me show you exactly what play is, why everyone is using it for outbound, and how the interface actually works. This is episode 1, the foundation. Clay is a data automation platform. So in simple definition, you upload a leads or URL, Clay enriches them, finds missing details, runs AI on top, and automates updates for you. So it looks like a spreadsheet, but each column can do things like pull emails, get LinkedIn data, fetch company details, read posts, extract signals, generate AI icebreakers, score leads, run automations. So instead of you jumping between LinkedIn, Apollo, Hunter.io, Clearbit, Notion, Sheets, Clay centralizes everything. Why Clay actually works? So outbound success is equal to good data. Clay gives you better data because it connects to multiple data providers. It enriches every row in one click. It uses AI inside the table. It removes manual research completely, and it syncs your lead list automatically. If you're doing client work or running an agency, Clay removes 80% of manual effort from your workflow. This is why people call it as a cheat code. Not because it's fancy, but because it reduces 10 tools into one. Walk through how the Clay actually looks like and how it works. Like, just go to the browser and search for clay.com, and it will redirect you to the main website of the Clay. If you already have an account, you just click the login, so you'll redirect to the main dashboard. So here is the dashboard, how it looks like. In the home page, you will see this. Here you can type everything you need in a Clay so that you can create an agent like a list building, account research, and scoring. If you have any doubt, you can ask here, and it will show you a step-by-step process to solve that. So that is the option here you can use, and below that you can see many options like find people, find companies, find job, local businesses, import CSV, and import from CRM. So this is the basic feature of the Clay. So using find people, you can scrap any people from any company you need, and using the find company option, you can find and scrap the companies that you want to reach out based on your ICP criteria. And using the find job option, you can scrap leads based on your intent based signals. Like if anyone posts SDR job, then as a lead generation agency, I can reach out them. They are searching for the person who do outreach for them. That is actually lead generation agents do for them. Like the way you can use this find job. Next, local businesses. You can scrap any local businesses using Google Maps by using this option. So if you already have a CSV list, you can import that using this option. And if you have a CRM website and all your leads are stored in that, you can also download it or directly connect with Clay and import them using this option. And below that, you can see this. So by clicking new, you can create a new workbook or new folder. So let me explain this later. So let's walk through other options are here left side. So first one, signal. In this, we can scrap any lead based on the intent signals like job change, new hire, job posting, promotion, and web intent, news, fundraising, and LinkedIn post brand mention, and customized intent signals like LinkedIn post that your competitors post and engagement like the way. You can create it by clicking new signal. Which signal do you want to scrap? You can just click there and build a lead list. And then the second one is campaign. So here you can now create a new campaign for the already built lead list, and you can also build a new lead list from here onwards. By clicking a new campaign, you will see this workflow. You can identify leads by clicking this, like which company or which people do you want to target based on your ICP criteria. Then you can enrich them with the work email, like a waterfall enrichment. Let me explain that in the following videos. And then you can launch the campaign here. So that is what Clay campaigns. So here you can see all the messages and replies you got from that one campaign, and global analytics. You can see the whole analytics and dashboards of each campaign. You can filter them based on this. Then Clay agent. Here you can build an agent for yourself to do work that you have already doing many times a day, and it replaces your manual works that you are doing again and again. It will create your agent that actually work for you while you sleep. So first you can create it from already built-in templates. Clay is also already have a default templates for many agents, so you can use this once, and if you have an experience, you can create manually as well. Then exports. So here you can see all the exported list that you have already exported, and in trash you will see all the data and leads that you have edited from your home page or already created list. So in settings, you will see this page. In workspace, you can optimize your workspace details like workspace name, email, and all. We can upload a new picture for the profile, and in the team section, you can invite your team members. Just put the email of your team member and which role do you want to give for them, and just send invite. Using this, you can invite all your team members in one workspace, and you all work together in same workspace. So next, in the connection, you can collect any tool that you want to connect with Clay. Just add connection Here defaultly Clay gives a lot of tools options. You can connect any tool you want to connect with Clay using API. So next is sequencer. Here you can add all email accounts that you have used for your email campaigns. Just click this and there is a lot of options like Google account, Microsoft account, manual SMTP setup, and bulk CSV upload. So which one is easy to you can use that. So in global block list, all the blocked emails are stored here. So next one is web intent. In this page, you can use this web intent signal. Like if you need a person's detail who visited your website recently, you just use this option. Like just click add connection. So here you can add your website and connect your website with like your information here. Then you will be updatable by every single lead who visited your website and with the information that like which page they have visited and how much time they were in your website, like the all details about the lead, so that you can reach out to the people who need your service. Like if anybody reads your website so many times and spend more time on your website, he will definitely need your service, right? So that you can use this web intent signals in this area. So next one, plan and billing. So here you can see your current plan details and billing history. And so if you have a free account, you will be got 2000 credits for 2 weeks. After that, you have to buy a plan. After that, credit usage. Here you can see your workspace details, like how many credits you have used and how many balance you have now. And you can also view your credit usage by clicking this credit option. So based on our free account, I have a 2k credits, and by clicking this credit usage, you will redirect to the same page. So next, reference. Here you can see your specific referral URL, and if you invite your friends and colleague to use this tool and they also buy the Clay plan using your referral link, both will got 3000 credits. That is what here is already explained. Like invite your friends to Play and share your referral link with your friends. When they sign up and activate pay in workspace, you will both earn 3000 Clay credits. So that's what I'm saying. Then we'll go to accounts. So here you can see your account settings. You can change your profile picture, name and email ID and all. In run preferences, you can change how you want to. And in security, you will see all the details like when account are created, updated it, and login type. You can also log out using this button. And here is a API key for yours, and you can also regenerate it. This is what appear in account settings. Then we have to go to help and support. So here we can ask any questions or any queries if you have, and support team will answer your question at any time. And change log. This is a new changes and updates that are appeared in Clay, and it will redirect to a new page. Here you can see the what update on Clay have happened and when it happened, like the way. Just go back and see the resources, and here we can see everything about Clay. If you want to learn Clay end to end, you can see all of these videos and documents so that you can learn everything about Clay from end to end. After that, we have here a notification symbol. When we click this, we can see every notifications that same from Clay. So here you can see the help as like the same what help and support looks like. So that's it, guys. So that wraps up all the core features you need to understand before we move into a real workflows. So from episode 2 onward, we'll start building complete system inside Clay step by step. If this introduction helped, let me know in comments and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next part. See you in the next one. Bye.